Hello, YouTube friends and family. It is always a joy to come to you and bring you a video. So I am bringing you a quick Trader Joe haul. I did get 2 whole bags of groceries for $54, which is sad these days, but it is what it is these days. Groceries are expensive. I just needed some holdover stuff, some fresh food, fresh produce, quick meals for, the weekend, and spring break is coming up. And during the week, I get kind of overwhelmed, so I wanted some quick options. So I did get, and I also want you to guess what I'm going to make too. I got another thing in mind, and I want to give it a try. So I got a head of lettuce, $1.99. The bananas there, I only got 3, 19 cents a piece, or a pound or something, but they came to 54 cents for 3 bananas. Should have went to Sam's for that. This Mediterranean salad kit was $3.99. This uncured turkey bacon was $3.49. These onions were like $3.69 for the yellow, and I was on my last onion. I keep them in the fridge in the crisper tray. They last way longer that way. So I can use a bag of onions will take me through at least a month, if not 6 weeks. So when I'm cooking regular. And then I have the purple. They were like $3.69 or $3.79. And I have 2 Roma tomatoes. They were 29 cents each. I have these. Now, these things right here, these green onion pancakes, are delicious. I love them. So, I have some oven roasted turkey breast. That was $3.99. And I have black garlic. That was $2.99, I believe. And this new ranch seasoning. This is kind of new to me. Sprinkle it on popcorns, vegetables, or using recipes. And it was $2.99, as most of their seasonings are. I saw Kimberly on the Watts with this. This is shelf-stable whipping cream. So now that I'm kind of trying to bake a little bit, this will come in handy if I have a recipe. And it is best by July 5th. So that's a good little long shelf-stable date. I got pita bread, which was $1.99. We have some steakums, so I can have steak in a sack. I have peanut butter cups, the dark chocolate ones, and they were 99 cents. I have one long baguette. It's long. Ciabatta baguette. It was $1.99. I have 2 of these. This is my favorite from Trader Joe's. They've gone up, I think. They were $4.99. And the rice, I got the veggie fried rice, which was $2.98. They've gone up like 50 cents. So I got 2 of those. And I'm looking like, what else did I get? What else did I get? So that was it. Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's. $54. I want to come with a few more short hauls. Went to Tuesday morning. I went to the Dollar, it's like Dollar Spot, but it's really a Dollar Tree store. And it's the neatest one. I've done a video on it before. This store is so neat. It's neat as a pin. It's a joy to go there. But I was under a time crunch, so I only spent $14 there. But I'll show you what I picked up in the next video. But thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to bring you this quick haul so that you can see what Trader Joe's have to offer. These are like brand new items, I think. But I hadn't been in 6 months, so I wouldn't know. But staples, keep those in the fridge. And if you can figure out what I'm going to make. I don't have all the ingredients for what I'm going to make. But based on what you've seen, of course, I'm going to make the chicken and rice. Of course, but I mean the special thing that I'm going to make. Go ahead and put it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Prep and pray. I love you to life. Bye-bye.